Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Tech W3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. In the previous lesson, we have to learn workflow rule versus process builder in Salesforce Lightning, where we have learned process builder is more powerful automation tools comparison to the workflow rule. In this lesson, we will be seeing an example of how to create approval process in Salesforce. So follow these steps to create a new approval process in Salesforce. First, go to setup page of Salesforce. Then search approval process into quick find search box. Then select object name where you want to create approval process. Here I will be creating approval process on opportunity object. Then we will be sending approval to manager if opportunity stage selected as perceptions analysis. Once manager approve the request, the opportunity stage will be automatically moved into the next stage or proposal price quote. This is a screenshot of the approval process where we will be create approval process in Salesforce. So first go to the quick find search box and type approval. Then select approval process. Then we will be select opportunity object. There is a button to create a new approval process. So from here, I will be create new approval process on opportunity object. So friends, let's jump to my Salesforce screen where we will be create new approval process and we will be send a request to manager for approve my request. Once my manager approve the request, we will be send an email notification to user or manager so that user can get the status of the approval request. Approval has been approved or rejected. So we will be send a email notification to user after submitting a request for approval. So let's jump to my Salesforce screen where we will be create live demo example how to create a approval process and how to raise a request for approval to manager. So let's jump to my Salesforce screen. So friends, this is my Salesforce credential org. First go to the setup and here quick find search box, search approval process. So before creating approval process, we will be creating two email template. First for approval and second for rejection. So in the quick find search box, search classic email template. Classic email template. Here select classic email template and create a new template. So here we will be create two email template. First for approved, second for rejected. So here there are four type of email template: text, HTML, custom, and visual force page. So here I am selecting text and next. Then select your folder name. So I am selecting my personal email template available for use. Check marks this checkbox. Write the name of the email template. So my template name is approval request, and this is description, subject, approve request, and write the email body. So first write hi and write the body of the email. So your request for approval process has been approved. Thanks. And here you can write the name of the opportunity. So go up, select here opportunity field. This is opportunity field, and here select name, opportunity name. This is a value generated dynamically copy the value and paste here. So the opportunity name will be automatically get and sent to the email and save. Now I will be create another one email template for the reject. So clone this template and change the name of the email template. So I am writing the name rejected request and unique name will be automatically populate and save and change the body text of the email. So here your request for approval process has been rejected and save. So here I created two email template, first for approval, second for rejected. After creating both of the email template, select object manager and go to opportunity object. Here I will be create a pick list value, approval status, fill a relationship, create new, select pick list, then next. The field name will be approval status. Approval status and enter a value. So whenever user request for approval, first it will be in progress and second approved and third one rejected and fourth one open. So in the final stage we will be open the stage and next vision for all the profile and next and save. So in the opportunity object, I created a approval stage field that is a pick list. Now I will be creating approval process. So in the quick find search box, search approval process, select approval process, then here manage approval process for. So here select your object name where you want to create approval process. So here I am creating approval process on opportunity object. So I am selecting opportunity. Then there is a button create new approval process. So select first one, use jump start wizard. Write the name of the approval process here. So here I am writing the name of the approval process, proposal approval process. Proposal approval process. And unique name will be automatically generated and use the proposal process if the following criteria are met. So here we will be add a criteria when this approval process will be executed. So let me explain before creating a criteria. Go to your app launcher. Select your app. My application name is Vijay Tech School. Go to the opportunity. Open any of the opportunity record. So by default, first is a prospecting. Whenever opportunity stage selected perception analysis, then user can submit for approval here. Now let me back on the approval process. So here I will be set the condition. The condition is opportunity stage is equal to perception analysis. So whenever opportunity stage is equal to perception analysis, then this approval process will be executed. Now save. So now let me create a initial submission action. So first we will be update the field, write the name of the action. So here I am writing the name initial submission action. Initial submission action. Object name is opportunity field update. I will be update the field approval status and approval status field will be in progress. So once user submit the approval process request, the approval status will be automatically changed as in progress. Then save. After initial submission, second step is a approval steps. So here manager can approve or reject the request. So this is a show action. Click here. There are two options: approval action and rejection action. So add new field update. So after approve the request, field will be updated. Approved status action. Write the name of the action. Approved status action and field update. So I will be update the field status, approval status will be approved. So select approved and save and new. Once approved the request my manager, the stage will be automatically jump into the next. So create another one action, update field, update stage action and field will be stage and after approve the request it will be automatically change proposal price quote and save. If manager reject the request, I will be create rejection action. So first will be update the approval stage. So write the name of the action rejection action stage and here and select the field approval status. Value will be open. Once manager reject the my request, the approval status will be open so that user can submit new request. After approve the request from manager, let me send a email alert to user. So open the action and in the approval and rejection action we will be add a email alert. So this is a email alert. So select email alert from here. I am writing the name of the description approved email alert. Approved email alert. Approved email alert and select the email template. Here I am selecting email template for the approved request. So from here, select email template. So in the starting of the lesson, we have created two email templates. First for the approval request, second for the rejected request. So this is a approval request email template. Select this one. So email alert will be sent to the user. So this is a user Vijay Kumar. Select name of the user. You can enter up to 5 email address to be noticed. Here you will be add at least 5 email template as a additional. It will be marked as a CC. Right now I am leaving as it is and save. So after approve this request, user will be get the email. Same open the show action and add email alert for the rejection action. So here add new, select email alert, write the name of the description, rejection email alert, rejection email alert. Select your email template. If manager reject the request, it will be send another one email template. So I created rejection email template. This one rejected request, and here will be sent to user. So select user, and I am not writing any of the email in the CC. Now I am saving the email alert. Now approval step has been completed. In the approval stage, I have created two action, approval action and rejection action. So in the approval action, I have updated both of the field, approval status and stage of the opportunity. Here we will be update the field rejected and it will be reopened. After approval steps, go to your next stage of the approval process. It is a final approval action. So here I will be update the field. Write the name of the action, final approval action. Final approval action. We will be update the field approval status. If request has been approved, then it will be approved and save. And it is a final rejection action. If request has been rejected, then status will be rejected. So update the field. Final rejection action. Approval status will be changed rejected. It is a final rejection action. If request has been rejected, we will be also send an email alert. So if final approval approved, then we will be send email alert. Final alert action. And select your email template. So this is the approval request, final approval request, and select user and save. In the final rejection, we will be send an email alert also. Select email alert. Final rejection action. Select email template for the final rejection. So I am using the same email template. Rejected request email template. User will be get the email alert. So I am selecting username and save. We can update the field. If manager approve or reject, then it will be unlock record so that user can submit for request for next time. So here first I created initial submission action, then I set a approval steps. So in the approval steps, I set up two action, approval action and rejection action. Then it is a final approval action, and in the final action we have update the field and send an email alert. Same, it is a final rejection action. After set all of the steps, let me activate this approval process. So this is a button to activate the approval process. Let me activate now. Okay. So my approval process has been activated. Now let me check on the record. Go to the opportunity tab. Open any of the record. Right now it is a first stage. So once opportunity stage selected perception analysis and mark as current stage. Then user can submit for approval. So we can see I created a pick list value. It is a approval stage. So currently it is a none. Once I submit the request, it will be automatically changed to in progress. Now let me submit for approval. Go to down arrow and click here. Write the comment. Kindly approve and submit. I submit a request for approval. If you go to the related list of tab, you will be get one submit approval request. So here you will be get approval request submitted. Because I am login from system admin, so system admin has right to see the approval history. If you go your manager to this user, so open the incognito tab and here login from manager's credential. Now let me check the manager name credential. Go to detail of the user. This is a manager, sales user. Click here and username is w3bfd@gmail.com.sales. Copy the username. Go to incognito window and log in the manager credential. I got email from Salesforce to verification. Copy the verification code and verify Salesforce credential. So here I am opening the manager's credential and here you can see manager got a notification. Open the notification and here you can see Vijay Kumar is requested approval for opportunity. So click here and this is a approve, reject and reassign. So here I am approving the request. Write the comment approve and click the button approve. I approve the request. Now go to your Salesforce. Open the opportunity. Here you can see the stage of the opportunity has been moved next stage automatically, and here you can check approval status automatically, update approved. Now let me check email. So after approve the request, I will be get, this is the name of the opportunity, and message is your request for approval process has been approved. So so manager has been approved. So I got email from approved. Now let me check another one record. Open the opportunity. Let me check for this record of the opportunity. Now this is a qualification stage. Now I am selecting reception analysis and mark as a current stage. Now let me submit for approval to manager. Kindly approve and submit. So I submit for this opportunity record. Now go to the manager's credential, and here you will be get the notification. One request has been got from opportunity. This is the name of the opportunity, and here now I am rejecting this request. So as manager side, I am rejected this request, rejected, and reject the button. This request has been rejected from the manager. Now let me go to the opportunity, refresh the record. Now you can see my stage does not go to the next stage, and let me check the approval status. It has been rejected, automatically updated. Now let me check the email. Go back. I got an email from the Salesforce. Here, this is the name of the opportunity, and your request for approval process has been rejected. So I got a email from Salesforce. Your request has been rejected. Now let me submit for request for another one record of the opportunity. So this time I am sending a request for the Take W3 Wave opportunity 2. Right now, approval status is nothing, none. Now I am submitting for request, submit for approval. Kindly approve and submit. So you can see if the opportunity stage does not selected perception analysis, user can't submit for approval. So if I am trying to submit for approval, so the message display is not applicable, approval process was found. Because I write a criteria if opportunity stage selected perception analysis, then only user can submit for approval. Otherwise, they can't applicable to submit for approval. Once I selected this stage, now I am trying to submit for approval, then I can applicable because as a condition are matched. So in the initial stage to create the approval process, I add a condition if stage of opportunity selected as perception analysis, then user can submit for approval, otherwise not. Now I am submitting for approval. So before submitting for approval, let me check the status. It is not anything selected. Once I submitted the approval, it will be selected automatically in progress. Kindly approve my request. Kindly approve my request and submit. So I send a request to manager to approve my request. and here you can see my approval status automatically updated in progress. Now let me open manager's account. This is a manager's account in the incognito window. I got a notification here. The opportunity name is Take W3 Wave Opportunity 2. Open this notification. This is a button. Approve, reject, and reassign. This is the name of the opportunity. Take W3 Wave Opportunity 2. Now I am approving this request. Approved. And click on the button. Now go to the record of the opportunity. I approved. So this stage will be automatically moved on the next proposal price code. So now I am refreshing the page and the approval stage will be automatically updated as a approved because manager approved the request. So now I am refreshing the record. You can see proposal price code has been automatically moved, and here you can see approval status automatically updated as a approved. Now go to the email, go back. I got approval request from Salesforce. Hi, Take W3 Wave Opportunity 2. This is the name of the opportunity. Your request for approval process has been approved. So friends, in this lesson, we have to learn how to create a approval process in Salesforce. So here we have updated the record of the opportunity and we have sent the email alert to user. Once user submit a request, the approval status field will be automatically changed as a in progress. And once manager approve the request, the stage of the opportunity will be automatically changed to the next, and status field will be automatically changed as a in progress to approved. And once manager approve the request, they will be also get a email alert as a notification. Once manager reject the approval request, then we have the change the approval stage as well. Status will be changed as a rejected and the stage of the opportunity will be not go forward, and user will be get as a email notification your approval request has been rejected. So friends, try to do from your side in your personal org. If you getting anything issue to create the approval process in Salesforce, please write in comment box. To get more related video of the Salesforce, go to the YouTube, search Take W3 Wave, then click here, go to the videos, and here you will be get so many live demo example of video. Here I created real-time scenario based on working on the office. So here you will be get Salesforce Lightning Aura component, Visual Force page, Salesforce LWC, Lightning Flow Builder, and here so many video you will be get that is working in office in live project. If you subscribe my channel, your project working will be very easy. So friends, like, share and subscribe and support my channel. Thank you so much.